사이드미러 거울이 깨졌는데 교체 가능한가요?
그럼요. 저희는 테슬라의 모든 차량 모델들 부품 교체 수리가 가능하답니다. 그래서 오늘 소개할 영상은 바로 테슬라 모델3 사이드미러 교체 작업 영상입니다. 그럼 보시죠.
I'm about to show you guys how to remove the front door panels of a Tesla Model 3. So it's pretty simple. You need one of these plastic pry tools, a T27 Torx, and I like to use a drill because I don't like to use a screwdriver and stand there for 5 minutes. So I'm going to show you guys really simple. It literally takes me 2 minutes. So let's get started. So first step, guys, we gotta open the door. Boom, that's step number 1. So what you guys are going to use this for is you're just going to grab it right under the reflector here and you're just going to slightly pry up and this thing will pop right out. So there you go. Super easy, just clips in. It'll clip back in after. Behind here is the T27. And then under the door button that you have here, there's another one. From under, I don't know if you want to get a better angle from here so that you can see it. I'll go from here. You're gonna pry it up just like that. It's gonna fall down. I like to keep everything in the door panel. There's only 3 screws that hold this in. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your T27, make sure that this is put on counterclockwise, guys. You don't wanna be tightening this. Simple enough. One. The one that you just removed from here. 2. And there's one last one, actually right here, if you wanna see. That's 3. And that's pretty much how we're, that's the only things actually holding it in place. Next thing you guys want to do is pull this up, pull it up, unclips. And last but not least, you're gonna have to give it a slight tug, but you pull the door panel towards you. So I like to start at the bottom. Don't be alarmed, that's usually how they come apart. And so all the clips are now loose, and all you really have to do now is pull up. So we're removing this panel because we're going to be removing the mirror. This video is specifically for the mirror. So come with me, I'm going to show you guys the tools that you need. First off, you're going to need a clip popper. There's going to be about 3 clips. You're going to need to disassemble. You're going to need a 10 millimeter. This is my extension for my impact. If you guys want, you guys can use a ratchet. I just like to do things a little bit more efficiently, so it's up to you guys. So come with me, guys. You're gonna see. So there's pretty much 3 clips you guys have to push down here. So well, 3 plugs. So you guys just push down this clip and pull down. Here's another one. Pull this down, and then these ones, this one as well. So this one was already pre-disassembled a bit. Clip popper. You're gonna pop this clip off. Just be careful, this one's a bit tight. And there's 2 other ones. There's one right behind here that you get under and pull. And there's one that's holding from this side of the door. So usually you wanna get in there and just pull that up gently. And that's actually gonna expose what you need, which is a 10 millimeter that's under. That's one more right there. So this is how the clips are, guys. Be very careful. Just make sure you get it from under here. Don't yank at it because you'll separate it from the rubber, and it's not as fun to put it back together after. So look, you have 1, 2, and 3 10 millimeters. So as you're doing this, just hold down the mirror here so it doesn't shake or it doesn't fall. And I like to start with the inside one. Take it out. And I'm just gonna hold the mirror again. So the way you guys want to disassemble this is you want to pull it upwards. So there's going to be a clip here that hooks into place when you reinstall that. It's really important that you guys are going to reinstall it with this clip going down. If not, this plastic piece is actually going to be sticking out. So just grab it and gently pull up, just like that. Watch not to scratch your paint or anything. You're going to have to lift the rubber from this side. If you're doing this with two people, it's a lot easier. I'm just used to it, so. And you're just going to feed the wire through the hole. And there you have it, guys.
시청해주셔서 감사합니다. 도움되셨다면 구독, 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드려요. 안녕.